here in the 2018 Discovery 39F, this coach has 4 slides, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. On the Discovery, one of the slides is going to have locks. It's really important that you know how to use this type of slide out system because the locks, you can only see 1, not 2, but there is indicator lamps that will illuminate when the locks do lock. We'll go over that in just a second. Here's one slide out button here, in and out. Here's the other one with the lock system. This also has a key to turn on and off the slide out, so it prevents someone from inadvertently opening and closing the slides. To operate the slide, you'll turn the key in, turn in the on position, and then you're going to hold the extend button. Now, during the operation of this one with the locks, when you push the extend button, there will be a few second delay, actually probably more like 35-second delay. That's going to be releasing the locks. Once the locks are released, then the slide will go out to its extend position. So now I'm going to retract the room. This is the patio side, so I'm going to head and hold the retract button. The slide will come in, then I'll see the slide stop moving. I have to wait for these 2 indicator lights to light up, which are going to be the lock mechanisms. Again, I can't see the rear lock mechanism, but I can see the front lock mechanism. And once each of these lights light up, that means the locks are engaged and I'm free to release the button. It's important that if you're traveling the room inside, make sure that there's nothing in the way as the slide comes in to obstruct it. Also, if you're bringing the slide in and you do have to stop it for any reason, it's best to continue on the same way you were coming. So if you're retracting the slide and you had to stop it, don't go ahead and extend it. Just keep on retracting it to let it finish its cycle. Here are your switches located on the Discovery for the 2 rear slides. It's right by the bedroom door. You'll have one for the non-patio side and one for the patio side or the driver's side. To work the slide out, you need to have your ignition key either in the on position or engine running. I suggest just keep the engine running. This way it keeps the battery voltage up to par, because if the battery voltage is low, it'll default these slide outs and they won't operate. So just keep the engine running when you're working your slide outs. To work it, it's just a matter of push a button and then you just hold it until it comes and stops. This panel is illuminated stating that if it was low voltage or your brake was not on, it would illuminate stating that what was wrong. So if the slide out didn't work, look for your red indicator lights first. If no lights light up, the system is working fine. And again, make sure there's nothing in the way before operating the slides outside or inside.